Everybody fails. I've failed countless times. When you're standing up highly complex technical systems where you have different software platforms talking to each other, or an e-commerce site that's taking orders, handling payments, managing inventory, there's bound to be some sort of failure in those systems. They're just inherently not meant to stand the test of time because change is a reality. APIs get deprecated, third-party services go down, traffic spikes unexpectedly, a payment processor changes their authentication flow, a database reaches capacity, someone pushes code on Friday afternoon. It's how you handle that change that differentiates you from somebody else. The best consultants, advisors, integrators, system thinkers, developers, the ones who actually move the needle, are the ones that handle failure well. They're the ones who can walk into a situation where everything is on fire and come out on the other side still not burning. So what does handling it well look like? Well, when systems fail, there's a predictable pattern among the people who navigate it successfully. First, they stay calm. Panic spreads faster than any outage. The moment leadership freaks out, the whole team follows. Great technologists bring a steady presence to chaos. Second, they assess quickly. Not perfectly, but quickly. What's broken? What's the business impact? Who's affected? What's still working? You don't need every detail to start triaging. Third, they communicate clearly. Internal teams need to know what's happening. Customers need reassurance. Stakeholders need realistic timelines. Silence in a crisis creates more problems than the crisis itself. Fourth, they prioritize ruthlessly. Not everything can be fixed at once. What keeps the business running? What keeps it profitable? What maintains customer trust? Fix those things first. Everything else waits. Fifth, they focus on operational continuity. The goal isn't perfection. It's getting systems mostly operational so the business can keep moving. Revenue keeps flowing. Customers keep transacting. Teams keep working. Sixth, they document and learn. Once the fire is out, the best don't just move on. They do the post-mortem. They understand the root cause. They put safeguards in place. They make sure the same fire isn't likely to start again. Here's what I've learned after years in the trenches. Complex systems will always fail. The question isn't if, it's when, and how prepared you are when it happens. The consultants and developers who understand this reality, who build resilience into their systems, who plan for failure rather than hoping it never comes, those are the ones clients trust when it matters most. Because when everything is on fire, you don't want someone who's never seen smoke. You want someone who's walked through the flames before and knows exactly how to get out.